Every home tells a story, but this one begins with light, air, and a quiet sense of confidence. From the very first glance, it's clear this isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle designed for the way modern living feels at its best. Set against a lush landscape, the architecture balances strength and serenity. Clean lines meet warm materials, and the garden opens like an invitation, where water, greenery, and natural textures blur the edges between indoors and out. As the sliding doors unfold, the house reveals its rhythm: open, connected, alive. Inside, the heart of the home welcomes you with volume and flow. A seamless living and dining area draws the eye outward, every surface reflecting daylight, every detail thoughtfully aligned. In the kitchen, sophistication meets performance. Matte finishes, sculptural lighting, and a deep contrast of tones create a space that feels grounded yet refined. It's both a chef's dream and a visual anchor, where every meal becomes a quiet celebration of design. Just beyond, the living nook introduces intimacy. Moody hues and layered textures create a sense of calm sophistication, a perfect retreat for conversation or quiet reflection. And as you move through the hallway and up the staircase, the light follows, guiding you upward with quiet grace. Bedrooms dressed in natural wood and gentle tones invite rest, while large windows pull in the sky and the trees beyond. It's minimalist but far from cold, every line softened by warmth and light. This is where design and serenity meet. Soft daylight pours across natural oak and stone, creating a sanctuary that feels both open and personal. Even the dual sinks and walk-through layout echo the home's greater philosophy: connection, balance, and understated beauty. It's a master bath that invites you to pause, to breathe, and to reset. Step into a different mood, one that's intimate, expressive, and richly detailed. Here, scale becomes emotion. The design shifts from light and airy to moody and sophisticated, culminating in a bold powder room that feels almost theatrical. It's where simplicity turns cinematic, a perfect balance between functionality and artful expression. As the day fades, the exterior glows, a dialogue of warmth and shadow. The pool mirrors the twilight sky, while soft lights trace the garden path. It's a home that breathes, balancing openness and intimacy, nature and nurture, design and life. Because here, architecture isn't just something you see, it's something you feel.